Hi everyone. Today we are going to look at web application penetration testing, especially how to scan the vulnerabilities in the web application. So for this video, I have prepared the web application called OWSAP Juice Shop. So I did a video few days ago how to install this Juice Shop application in the Parrot OS with the Docker container. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go and watch that video. This is the card on top of the screen. So yeah, this is the web application. So we need to find the vulnerabilities in this web application and we need to exploit those vulnerabilities. So today I'm going to discuss how we can exploit the admin access in this web application. So here you have login. If you want, you can create a test account in this web application. So like a new customer, but Foxy proxy to send some application traffic to the burpsuite. So this is how my setup. So we'll go ahead and create a new login. So I will create new user as abc@gmail.com. My password is password, again password, and security question. Oh, my favorite book, say book, and registered. So I don't want to save the password. Again, we have to log in abc@gmail.com and password. We are in. Now we are a user of this web application and we can see pretty much everything here. Small prompt about cookies. Yes, me want. And our bucket is here. You can select your language if you want. So this is pretty much it. In the menu section, we can see customer feedbacks, complaint. So this is completely lab setup. So you can install and practice this regarding the web application vulnerabilities, and we'll try to take a help on this. Help setting. Oh, we're getting a hint. This application is riddled with the security vulnerabilities. Your progress exploiting this is tracked on a scoreboard. Okay, so we do have a scoreboard. So we'll try to find where this scoreboard. Um, Maybe I will try scoreboard here. Nope, we're not getting anything. Maybe scoreboard. No. Maybe after this one. Scoreboard. Nope, nope, nope. This is not the one. Maybe we can do the inspect element. Go to the debugger. This should be a JavaScript pop-up, so that's why I went to the debugger and tried to find the JavaScript in the specific application. We have a JavaScript code here. I will copy that JavaScript and go to the Google and find JavaScript, maybe beautifier. Try with this one. Paste your code, copied code. Okay, there we are. This is the JavaScript code which we copied from here regarding to this little message. We'll try to find something related to scoreboard. We'll search on here. Okay, scoreboard here. We'll try with this one. Oops, no, we are not getting the scoreboard here. Anything else related to scoreboard? Same. Okay, we have a app.scoreboard. Maybe we'll try this. Oops. App.scoreboard. No. Maybe just scoreboard with the dash. Oh, there we are. There we are. We found the scoreboard. And it was saying you have successfully solved the challenge. Scoreboard finally. We found the scoreboard and we do have this number of challenge to fix. So we did this one. We found the hidden scoreboard for this. So okay. So maybe there is a challenge for that. Oh, it's not there, but anyway, we're with the our new user email, which is abc@gmail.com. So what I'm going to do here is first I want to scan this web application using ZAP web application software, vulnerability application software. Then after that, I'm going to find like what sort of vulnerabilities in that web application. Then based on that, I'm going to do the exploitation. So here I will open the terminal sudo sudo proxy and I will open the SAP application. Maybe you can go to the home page in here. SAP is still opening. Okay, so in this application, it will ask whether you want to save your session or if you don't want. So a lot of options. In my case, I don't want to save it. So just start. And we do have a few options, just two actually. Automated scan as well as the manual scan. So for easy of use, I'm going to select automated scan. Then I will copy this URL here. Yep, this one. And paste that URL over here. Maybe we'll remove this one. And I'm not going to do the Ajax spider, just traditional spider. I don't want to go deeper in the web pages. So just traditional spider for quicker of the process and hit attack button. So when you hit the attack button, this application going to scan your whole website, those web pages, whether they have any vulnerabilities. So in the top left corner, you can see some alerts with the flags. As you can see, orange color, yellow color, and blue color flags, which means we are getting some vulnerabilities with the alerts. So we'll get into that in a second once it has been completed. So a little bit faster anyway. Yep. So you can see a lot of files. It's scanning JavaScripts, different web pages, FTP web pages, a lot of things. Oh yeah, we got another vulnerability in top left corner in the alert. It's with the red color, kind of red color. It's a high priority alert. So we are about to finish the scan. So meanwhile, we can navigate to the alert section over here. As you can see, we do have different type of alert like high priority alerts, medium priority alerts, low priority alerts, as well as the informational alerts. So we need to focus on low or medium priority alerts, which are vulnerabilities on that specific web applications. Based on that, we can do the exploitation. So that is the idea. I will move to the alert section. Maybe we can check this one. It is saying active cloud metadata potentially export. So you can double click here and you can see more details. over here. Likewise, you can see this alert, lot of details, medium, high. Same. Say if you want, you can copy this URL and paste it in new link. Oh, we are getting this sort of page based on these findings. What else? We are getting cross-domain misconfiguration. We'll see what we can see in here. Oh, it's just FTP. Not sure what. We can check this one. Okay. We do have some FTP access also. We have some pages we can download and see what's in there. Okay. Pretty much interesting things. Maybe here. Yep. We can have icon. Lot of stuff. Lot of exposed details over here. Oh, this is JavaScript source file detail. What is in there? Public assets, icon. Okay. We have script. Maybe we can do the cross-site scripting attack for this one. Yep. Icons. CSS files. Oh, JS. Maybe we can check this. Oh, we're not getting anything. Maybe try this one. Oops, we don't have any. We'll move to the next one. Oh, main.js. What's in the main.js? We're getting a whole bunch of information here. Maybe we can try anything related to admin. Oh yeah, we can see some sort of hints there related to admin. Maybe we can use this same JavaScript beautify for see the things. Oh, it is the same one. Okay. Interesting details. Administrator. Okay, administrator, admin's email. We'll try to find. Oh, we found the email address here. Admin at juicesh.op. Okay, we're going to copy this because we need to compare admin access. So we need email address definitely. I will copy this and I will log out from my account and try with this account. Login, admin. No, I'm just trying like few common password. Admin123. Oh, there we are. We're in. The password is admin123. Okay, so we found the admin password. Just very simple. We found the admin password. I think there should be another way to find this. Let's say like we don't know the admin password, to be honest, in practical way. We don't know the passwords, but still we need to do some SQL injection or cross-site scripting. So we can do that. I will show you how we can perform the SQL injection using burpsuite with the payload. So I will close this too. And okay, we have this page. I will close this one as well. And I'm going to open the burpsuite, which is free vulnerability application scanning software. So Go to the terminal, sudo burpsuite. This is community edition, which is free edition. You can have the professional edition as well, but you have to pay for that. I don't want to update right now. Start website. So what I can do is I'm just use burpsuite as a proxy, and I'm sending my all the web traffic into the burpsuite using the Foxy proxy application over here. And from this one, I'm just going to do some payloads and executions. First, we need to enable the Foxy proxy burpsuite over here, and then we can enable the proxy intercept mode on here. So now the burpsuite is listening to the connection coming through the proxy with this extension over here. I will maybe do a password as a password and click login, and as you can see it just arrived in burpsuite. So in the proxy section, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this into the intruder. Right click here and send to the intruder. From the intruder we can do the payload. So first of all, I'm going to clear this, and we know the admin email, but we need to find the password. So we're just going to add some payload in here in this real world scenario, but also we can add some payload into the email as well, because we are going to try with the SQL injection. So in this example, I'm not going to touch the password section, just deal with the email address and trying whether we can do the SQL injection over this application. So select the email address, the parameters over here, and click add. So now you can see they added little dollar sign, and then you can do the attack, the sniper attack, and another three type of attacks. So this is single target, which means I'm going to focus on only one parameter, which is email. So I'm going to use the sniper type of attack. So before that, I have to add the payload. So we'll move to the payload section, and I have to load the payload. So payload are in here: root, user, share, word list, wfuzz, and injection. So this is the path. You can select that path. Maybe I will add that path in the description down below. Yeah, here I am going to use sql.txt and open. So as you can see, it has loaded lot of payloads. So I'm going to try all of these payload with this tool, which is automated process, and try to attack with which one is going to be the successful one. So let's go ahead and start the attack. Oh, this is community edition. We can simply click OK, and it is trying with the different payload with that email section. So 125 payload is trying, you can see here, and you can see the status code. Some of them are successful, like some of them are getting 500, like different status code. But as you can see, the length is variable. Length is vary. So some lengths are 413, the length code, but some of them are different. So we need to focus on the different lengths, not the 413 like usual one. So maybe I can show you. When you click one of these, you can see the request. So it has been added DESC for the email field and trying with the password. So in this case, password doesn't really matter. So as you can see, it's trying this payload, maybe this payload. Like likewise, it's trying one by one, kind of brute force. So you can see the response based on that. Say it's getting this response message to this. As you can see, we are getting some interesting detail. Select all from users. So now we know there's a table called users and there's a field called email, and it is trying to match that user email into this payload. That is what exactly happening over here. So once this has been completed, we need to sort these lengths based on its size. So I'm going to use the highest length first and try to do the try to use that payload manually to get the access, get admin access. So if you can remember, this is our application. So we are trying to compromise this admin access. I will go ahead and refresh. So still we don't have the admin details. So we'll say, okay, this has been finished. So just go to the length and sort it out like this. Okay. So as you can see, this is 1699. This is the highest payload. We can copy this payload simply and add it to the email field, and maybe password for anything. I'm just one letter and try to log in. Or maybe you can turn off the burpsuite over here, otherwise it won't log in. Yep, no, it is not the one we're looking for. Maybe we can try another password. Oh, I mean another one, maybe second one. You can try maybe all if you want, or 2 3 payloads and password anything. Nope, this is not the one. We can refresh the page. Go ahead. Maybe we can try this. Login page again. Email, password, anything. You can type anything for the password and hit. Oh yeah, we're in. See, we are logged in as a user, but we use this payload. As you can see, if I double click this one, see, this is the payload which we used over here. This is the one. This one was the success one. So we did the SQL injection using this payload. Maybe it will work with few other payloads. So, but we don't need to check that because now we already compromised the admin access. So now we do have admin privileges, then we can do anything in here. So this is completely lab setup. You can practice those interesting cross-site scripting and SQL injection and etc things in this web application. So it is safe to do that. This is with your own environment. Get some hands-on experience with this. So hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any comments, any suggestions, any questions, please leave a comment on the comment section. We'll catch up with next video. Thank you very much guys. Stay tuned.